How to solve x power 8 is equal to 256. Find the value of x. So we have x power 8 is equal to 256 can be written as 16 square. Now we multiply by power of 8 in both sides. So multiply by power of 8. Multiply by power of 8. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule I can compare here. So it will be x power 8 then bracket power of x to the power 8 then is equal to 16 power of 2 times 8, that means it will be 16. Now we see x power 8 both term is same. This base and this power is same. So let x power 8 is substituted by t. So our equation will be t power t is equal to 16 power of 16. Now here I can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule I can compare here. T will be equal to 16. Now remember that t, that means x power 8. So t, that means it will be x power 8 is equal to 16. Now we need the value of x, so we multiply by power of 1 by 8 in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by 8, multiply by power of 1 by 8. Now we see this 8 will be cancelled. So x power 1 is same as x is equal to plus or minus 16 power of 1 by 8 can be written as 8th root of 16. So plus or minus 8th root of 16. This is the value of x. So this is our final. How to solve 4 power y is equal to 8. Find the value of y. So 4 power y is same as 2 power 2 then bracket power of y is equal to 8 is same as 2 power 3. Now we can write here 2 power of 2 times y, that means it will be 2y then is equal to 2 power of 3. Now we see 2 same base, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, so it will be 2y is equal to 3. Now we need the value of y, so divided by 2 in both sides, so divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. Now y will be equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of y, so this is our final answer.